We're working on lab number 7 here. It's in Carlson, and we have a limestone data. First, take a look at limestone data. If you open the Excel file, we have drill hole ID, easting, northing, elevation. So the coordinate of each drill hole with different strata. We have 3 different strata: soil, saprolite, and limestone. And then their thickness. So it seems that there is no key defined for this data. So then we can define the key in the software. I'll show it to you. And for sure, we want to mine limestone. So the key here is limestone, and saprolite and soil are non-key strata. So now go ahead and close the Excel file. You can open a Carlson file. We want Carlson Mining 2018, and we want to open a new file. With no template. So cancel this out. Alright, so you have the drawing file, and you can save it, or save as this one in the folder that you want. I want to save it in my design file of lab 2018, lab number 7. I will name this file lab 7 as well. And go ahead and save it. So now you can see that you have the name of the file as lab 7, and it's a DWG file. Okay, so first we want to import the drill hole. So if you remember the previous lab, first step to import drill hole data is to first define drill hole. So go ahead, open the tab of drill hole and define drill hole. So file name would be lab 7, that's fine. And open. So key density here is the density of limestone. So let's put it 150. And go ahead and click OK here. Next, go back to drill hole, drop down tab, and import export drill holes. And we want drill hole import, custom import format, use separate drill hole and strata files. No, so all of them are saved in one Excel file. So click no. And here I have the limestone data CSV file. So if you click on that, you're able to preview the data here. Drill hole is northing, listing northing elevation, strata, and thickness, and click open. Alright, so I have used attributes of previous imported data, so I'll remove everything and create one from beginning. So first I have drill hole ID. So find drill hole name. Then I have easting. So if you check in preview window, you'll find the order. So I'll add easting, northing, elevation, a surface elevation, and then strata name, and strata, and then I have delimiter as comma, and now which is look fine, click OK, and if you type ZE, which is zoom to extend, you're able to see the file. Next, I want to draw a border around these drill hole data. If their size is not matched, so the drill hole sizes are really big or really small, you can go to drill hole utilities, and change symbol size and change the size of the drill hole points and select all of them. I'm fine with this size, but just to show you, so I'll change it, enter and select all the object and enter, so it seems that it's fine. So if I control Z, it goes back. Alright, so after this, I want to create a border file here. For that, I'll go to layer properties. If you don't have it mounted in this left bar, you can click on this icon as layer properties manager or type layer in command. Alright, you open this, and what I want to do, I will create a new layer, name it boundary, and select it as the current layer. If you don't have all these layers that I have, it's fine. These are because the previous projects that I had opened. So don't worry if you don't have this. Alright. So now that I have this, okay. Now I want to draw a rectangle. You can go to draw and use rectangle, or type in command rectangle, and then select the bottom point, corner, and the top corner of that, and that is the boundary.